What's up, everybody? You got the Car Man channel today, and you hear the Car Man himself. What you see in the viewfinder is a scuff mark. We're going to be discussing on how to get rid of that. But meanwhile, let me invite everyone to subscribe to the channel. This is going to be part of a playlist, hopefully for hours of entertainment for you, and hopefully somewhat educational. Also, please feel free to follow me on Facebook, as that makes it easy for me to communicate with you. Now, what you will find out when you get a scuff on your car, a lot of times you'll have paint that gets transferred in here. So the first thing you want to do, almost always, get you some acetone, and if you want to see how bad it is, you can actually use nail polish remover, something along that line. So we're going to just run this through here and just see what comes off. This right here looks like it's been on there a while, so I'm not really seeing any paint come off. But it also serves as a good clean for the damaged area. Just want to make sure there's nothing on it, and we're going to get started on this guy. Now, I can tell you right off the bat by looking at this, if you'll run your fingers through it and you can feel it, then we're going to need to sand just a little bit. Now be careful, guys. This is nothing you have to do anything crazy with. Hang on, let me grab my hang on. So start with your pretty light grit sandpaper. How light grit? Well, you can go all the way up to 5,000 grit, but probably something a little more aggressive than that. Usually around 1,000 is okay. Maybe 1,500 if you're not feeling it. Actually, you could start at 2,000. Just do it light. That's all we're really interested in. We want to see what comes off with the light sanding, if anything. Now I can see that I am definitely getting a little bit off here. Remember, I just did a video on a headlight, and the key to a shine is a flat surface. Like I said, we're not interested in doing anything deep or crazy here. I just want to make sure that when I put that water on there, I don't see the scuff mark. And you see the scuff mark is gone. But now, unfortunately, everything is nice and dull. So, now that we've got that out, let's go ahead and dry it. You're like, oh my God, that thing is like dull as all get out right now. And it is. This is where I just took the clear coat off of this section. Actually flattened out the clear coat there. Only want to go light because we do not want to lose any clear coat whatsoever. Minimal. Minimally evasive. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Now, I'm going to use just a minimum cut compound. And what that's going to do is any of these little spots right here that are still sticking up, it's going to take care of that for me, okay? I'm just going to put those on there like this. Just want to... People are like, Carman, why do you use your hand? Because I like to feel what I'm doing. Any imperfections, I want to be on top of it. Now I'm going to turn around and buff this really lightly. This type of cutter can actually remove your paint. Doesn't take a long time. And you don't got to be overly aggressive. Just decent, you know, just decent. As you see, it's getting duller. I'm sorry, duller. It is dull, but it's a little shinier is what I meant to say. I'm not quite done with this yet. Don't have to be in a rush. Just do a little piece at a time. Because remember, we want our car to look good. We don't want to take the paint off. Keep on rolling. Sometimes it takes a few applications, you know, you gotta keep on going with her until you feel like do this next little piece. That's all we just keep doing, just keep rinse and repeat, baby, rinse and repeat until you actually get to where something you can appreciate and be happy with. So that's all we do. Just keep on rolling. There is another step to this process, but you really got to get rid of the flat spots first. You see her coming around? Now we don't want this to get hot, so the goal is not to go 6,000 miles an hour. It's just to go nice and steady. Keep working on the dull spots. And right here was definitely a dull spot. Let this glide. You see, we don't have very much time invested in this, really. See what's going on under here. Now I'm going to have to go around this whole thing, but I'm going to stay focused right here where that's where the scuff mark was at. So now we're going to go into a we're going to put a show car glaze on her. That's the idea anyway. Put a little bit of love back on this thing. Just want to rub that in. I'll go ahead and take it all the way over here. Why not? I think it does marvelous stuff with the paint. sorry I'm in your line of vision there. So kids, if you're at home and you're like, man, I got a scuff mark on my car and I want to know how to take it off, how do those guys at the Carman channel do it? Well, that's all we do, guys. It's quick and easy. It's simple. It takes a little bit of patience, of course. And then I'm going to stop right here because I've got to keep on going on back here, but I just wanted to show you right where that scuff was at. That was the major one on the car, and now it's gone. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see here. Trying to, let's see. She's got such a reflection you can't even tell now. There we go. There it is. So that's it, guys. That's what the scuff turned into right there. If you look a little bit to the left here, follow my finger, right here where we haven't polished, you can definitely see a difference in the paint. Just giving you an idea here. It will make it crystal clear and it will come out very nice. Meanwhile, guys, nothing but love from the Carman. We're broadcasting out of the RVA, telling you, sign on for the next flip, smash that like button, and support your military. See ya.